Roasted poblano corn chowder. Yes, that's what we're making today with some awesome chicken. This is going to be a damn good recipe. So please stay tuned and yeah, let's make this shit. All right, so for today we're making a smoked chicken, poblano, and corn chowder. I think this one's gonna be very damn good. I've been waiting to make this for quite a while for my wife. It was one thing that we both wanted to make, and yeah, I don't know. I think it's gonna be damn good. But without further ado, people, let's make this shit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start up with some chicken thighs, which we're gonna roast in the oven at 425. But before we do so, we're gonna season them. So I am using a salt, pepper, garlic blend, which I'm also gonna add in some smoked paprika as well to the mix to give it a nice seasoning. Season it on both sides. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and take some poblanos and we want to broil them in the oven. You should do this before you put the chicken in. Yes, it's coming later, but whatever. We're gonna toss these into a Ziploc bag, seal it up, let them steam. In a pot, we're gonna add some avocado oil, some diced carrots, and we're gonna add some diced onions, and we're gonna add some sliced up celery as well. We're gonna add in some chili powder. You can add cumin powder as well, and then you can add in some paprika and just sweat these down. Salt, pepper, I'm using kosher salt and fresh ground pepper here, and sweat them down before we add in garlic. Garlic, you know, I'm gonna use about 8 cloves of garlic that have been minced up. So we'll add those in just a second here and just sweat them. We're not browning them too much. Take them out and then add in some potatoes. So Yukon Gold potatoes is what I'm using here, and 2 containers of some chicken broth. Add that in and let that start boiling, okay? On the side, peel your poblanos, okay? You can use a paper towel to start peeling off the layers and then give them a nice dice. So I'm slicing long ways, so lengthways, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go the other way and start dicing those up. Then we're gonna go ahead and take a blender, add some of our potatoes to make a thickener into a blender, add some beer. You can use Budweiser, whatever kind of ale you want, and give it a nice blend. This is gonna give it that nice thickness that we want. Then we want to go ahead and start shredding our chicken. So we're going to shred the chicken up. Boom, there we go. We're shredding it, shredding it, shredding it. Boom, there we are. And I'm using 2 forks here. And on the side, we're going to add the poblanos into the potatoes with the broth and some frozen corn, little bit of beer, and then our chicken that has been shredded. You're going to bring this to a boil eventually, but we want to add the mirepoix as well. And then our blended potatoes. That's going to thicken it up. All right, stir that up. And then when it's nice and like it's gotten to a high heat, we're going to add in some cheese very slowly, as much cheese as you want. Reduce the heat, add in about a cup of heavy whipping cream and give it a nice stir. You don't want to add the heavy whipped cream at a high heat. And there we are. I'm going to go ahead and add some Greek yogurt here. You can use sour cream if you want. Some sliced red onions and some sliced diced avocado and some cilantro and some black pepper and jalapeno. And there we are, people. We are all done. All right, and we're all done, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. Very good. I went with Greek yogurt, whole fat, plain, instead of sour cream. I think that works really well with this. But this is a great dish, super easy to make. I'm gonna keep it in my wheelhouse, and yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm gonna eat this, and cheers. I'm out.